okay. It's just pain.
I'm sorry, I'm not myself today. My whole career was ruined by some crazy jerk riding a homemade rocket. Wait a minute. What is going on with your feet?
Spray-on shoes? They, don't come off.
Cool!
Ah!
This could solve the untied shoes epidemic. What are they made of? Some kind of elastic biopolymer adhesive?
Yeah. Exactly.
I mean, wow, they're shiny. I'm Sam.
Oh! Flint.
Steve! Is that a monkey thought translator? Steve! Huh! Incredible! Did you make all of this stuff? You hit me with a rocket.
You kicked me in the face!
I said I was sorry. Oh! Do you know how hard it is to break a sweater? I spent my entire life. You get one shot at the show, and if you don't make it, it's back to cleaning the barometers.
That could only mean...
Your machine? Is that what that rocket was?
You like it?
I love it! This is just amazing! Look at this! This is the greatest weather phenomenon in history!
Hey, aren't you a weatherman?
This just in, our humiliated weather intern is apparently back for more.
Thanks, Patrick. Okay, everybody, you are not going to believe this one, but I am standing in the middle of a burger rain. You may have seen a meteor shower, but you've never seen a shower meteor than this. For a town stuck eating sardines, this is totally manna from heaven.
This tastes significantly better than sardines.
This is going to be big.
This food weather was created intentionally by geekish backyard tinkerer Flint Lockwood.
Flint Lockwood?
Hi.
You under arrest for ruining Sardine Land.
Flint, those burgers were awesome. The producer called and he was all like, "Everybody loves that food weather."
Food weather. What? This could be even bigger than Sardine Land.
Can you make it rain food again, please?
No, well, I don't really know if I...
You're gonna do it again?
Oh, you gotta be kidding.